Hey, we're looking at linear equations and how to solve for them. So the best way to do that is just for me to work a bunch of examples. Okay, so what we've got here is we've got some brackets over here, and the reason I do that is sometimes too many parentheses gets confusing. And so I may throw in some brackets, but it does just pretend this is like this is an open parentheses and a closed parentheses. So let's see if this equation has a solution. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 6 across first. And so we end up with 6x minus, and we're going to have a 6 here. So we have 2x plus 3. And now that I've distributed the 6 across, we can drop these brackets. Except we want to go ahead and close this in here. So we have 8 minus 5x. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and distribute the 6 across. So rewriting this 6x minus, so 6 times 2x is 12x. Now because we have a minus out here, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this because pretend this is like a negative 6. So this is like a negative 6 times 2x is minus 12x, and then just go ahead and distribute it across, and so we have a minus here, and 6 times 3 is 18. Alright, now what we want to do is collect our like terms up. So we have a 6x minus 12x, and 6 minus 12, well, that would be a negative 6. And that's really all the like terms we have on the left hand side. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, and because we have a minus 6 here and a minus 5 here, this is smaller than the minus 5, and I'm going to go ahead and take this over to the right hand side, and I'm going to take this 8 over to the left, and I'm going to do this all at one time here. So in other words, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be adding a 6x to both sides, and of course if I have a positive 8 here, I need to subtract 8. So hopefully you can hang in there, keep up with me. So I have a 6x and a minus 6x, so that's going to go away, right? So that's 0. And then we have a minus 8 and a minus 18. I'll just rewrite that. And what's going on over here? Well, we had this positive 8 and a minus 8, and so that's going to go away. And we have a negative 5x plus 6x. Now I'm going to go ahead and simplify this down while I'm here. So this just becomes, pretend this is like a 6 minus 5, which is 1, right? So this just becomes x here. Negative 5x plus 6x is just 1x. And now we can just go ahead and finish this up. We have a negative 18 minus 18, and that'll give us a negative 26. Now remember that the way to check this, right, you want to take this negative 26 and plug it into where x is located, right? Plug in the minus 26, and then we should get the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. We want to make sure we plug in that minus 26 over here and then do the arithmetic.